Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to find your tracking number on eBay orders. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you've ordered an item off of eBay, but you want to go in and see what your tracking number is so you can supply it to someone else and simply just use that to track your order. How do you actually go ahead about doing this? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what we're first going to do is hop into the eBay app. Then once you open up the eBay app, you want to click on My eBay on the bottom left hand corner. Next, you want to click on Purchases or your order history. And then from this page here, you're going to see a list of items that you've ordered from eBay. All you've got to do is click on the order that you want to find the tracking number for. And then towards the bottom, you're going to see a number underneath tracking details. But that tracking number can be used to track the status of your order. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your tracking number on an order on eBay. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know.